Okay, today we're taking a quick look at the SCMI Top 35 boring machine. This has 35 spindles driven by two separate 3 horsepower motors. Those 35 spindles are on 32mm spacing. You can drill both horizontally and vertically. The machine is fully functional and ready to go. The machine also comes with documentation and some tooling and some of the quick change chucks. We'll go ahead and run a quick demonstration for you now. First, we'll show you the horizontal and vertical tilt. And now we will do some quick drilling. Notice it has 4 clamps. You can adjust those and move those wherever you like. It's got the push to connect quick change chucks. This has been a quick demo on the SCMI Top 35 drilling machine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.